We're on air. Yeah. Okay. Good day, my lovely audience. My name is Bob Torson, and today we're gonna talk about watercolors. The materials that we're going to need is the horsetti, the waro, very important, the pencil, the brocha gorda, very large, and the most important thing on this technique is the water. The water. I love water, too much water, see. Okay, we're gonna start with the flow. Yeah, let's make, yeah, you see, we're gonna do slow and soft, yeah. Don't forget, the water is very important for this technique. You can see, maybe if I mess up, I let our coats here. That's not good, not good. We have to soft and slow, soft and slow, like you were touching a fucking whore. When I was young, my father took me to a trip. He told me that I'm gonna make me a man, a better man. Yeah, I remember. He put me inside of the car and take my panties off. Then we play a little game, the Esconde Dias. Yeah, I don't remember too much of them because my mother blah blah makes way back. Okay, you can see I can make a shadow here. There's a difference between there and there. Maybe we can just put some of them here and take the okay, but if you see, this looks a little sad, yeah. We capture make super make him snap. Work is my shoot my cat. So whoa sing snap. Yes, yeah. But like I told you, it's a very sad place. So let's make some trees. Yeah, the trees will be very important here. Yeah, we're gonna use the same technique. Yeah, see. You see, this is wrong, very wrong, and we have to fix it very quick because, yeah. And so, every moment, every time, and then use this. So, forgive me. Yeah. Motherfucker. There's some Técnica production here. Yeah. Boy, que se sabe. Give me a moment. I'm gonna fix it right now. And you take the draw here and expand it. Anywhere where it goes, he's free. Yeah, totally free. We're gonna put another tree here. Maybe because it's a forest wood. Yeah, a forest man. We're gonna put, I don't know, his brother trees right in front. Maybe it's a hund of trees, and we use more brown here and here. Maybe another tree here. Yeah, here and here and here. Yeah, I love the woods. Yeah, see. I'm sorry. Maybe I'm a little explained here, but oh my God, it's so beautiful. Oh my God, I need it up again. Yeah. What you can make is get down and glue like the water on the paint. Yeah, maybe we can fix that because, okay, the fats are ugly, but what can we do? They're not perfect. We use the white color for the day. Yeah. Well, remember when I said this is a very sunny day because, yeah, the sun is very bright. We need some vegetation. Oh yeah, I love the vegetation, especially the marijuana. Do you know the marijuana? Yeah, it's very cool, especially for kids like you. Yeah, maybe we should make some rays of marijuana here. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'll blow it here a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe we're just missing a stone. See, yeah. But a stone needs some gray. You can combine two colors here. Maybe a little white and a little black. Yeah. Take a look. Then take once again the black. Make some shadow here. And take the water to the gray. A little darky because, you know. Yeah, we got them all. Now we can put some monkeys here. Yeah, here, a couple monkeys. Good. Okay, then, yeah, maybe a little green here, but difuminated. Yeah, maybe a little more here. The last touches, yeah, maybe here. And here. And ready. We got our first watercolor paint. And what's the important thing? The watercolors, don't forget. And a lot of water. Okay. My name is Bob Trosson, and I see you the next time, really.